Home is a place where members of the family stay together, celebrate their joys together, share their sorrows together. And it's a place where you define your own rules.
It really was like a love-hate relationship. Like you love your home, but you also want freedom.
It would be unlikely that your home would be a continuity of our home. You should go where your career takes you. If that takes you abroad, whether it means away from parents, that is fine.
When you come from a place like India, there is one thing you take for granted, that there are always somebody within arm's reach to support and talk to you.
So many things happened, and we were only able to see these things because you all were around. After you all left, many things stopped.
That freedom came at a cost because I had to make a new start in a new country. So the love-hate relationship has changed into like freedom and longing.
So now we are just digitally connected.
The technology and helps in bridging the gap, bridging the distance.
It's different because it's the same way as when you can touch, feel, hug. A screen can't replace that.
I think social interaction with close family members should continue. So otherwise, there's a feeling of
Isolation
loneliness and isolation.
and loneliness.
My ideal home will definitely have all of us together. How can I live in this space where I have my own freedom, but also have that familial comfort? That is a dream for me.